Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Did you know that tackling a few DIY projects around your home can actually increase its value? I'm talking about adding thousands of dollars just by adding some sweat equity. It's true, and the best part is you don't have to be a seasoned pro to get amazing results. Have you ever walked through your house, looked around and thought, this space has so much potential? Maybe you've dreamed of updating your kitchen backsplash, finally tackling that boring bathroom, or maybe adding some charm to your curb appeal. We've all been there. That's what today's video is all about, diving into the wonderful world of DIY renovations. I'm going to share some easy projects that are perfect for beginners, so whether you're a first-time homeowner or a seasoned renter, you'll find something to inspire you. So many people think that DIY renovations have to be these big, overwhelming projects. And while it's true that some renovations are best left to the pros, there are so many others that are perfect for beginners. And the truth is, tackling these projects yourself can be incredibly rewarding. Not only can you save a ton of money, but you also get to learn new skills, put your personal touch on your home, and experience the satisfaction of creating something beautiful with your own two hands. It's that feeling of accomplishment of transforming a space and making it your own that really makes DIY so special. Plus, you never know, you might just discover a hidden talent you never knew you had. So, if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the exciting world of DIY renovations, keep watching because I'm about to share some beginner-friendly projects that will give you the confidence to get started. I know starting anything new can be intimidating, and DIY is no exception. You might be thinking, what if I mess it up? What if it looks terrible? What if I don't have the right tools? Trust me, I get it, we've all been there. But you know what? Every DIY expert you see out there, they all started somewhere. They all made mistakes, they all had to learn, and they all had to overcome those initial fears. The truth is, most DIY projects are much simpler than they seem. There are tons of resources available online, like video tutorials, blog posts, even online communities dedicated to helping beginners. And don't worry about having all the fancy tools right away. You can start with basic, affordable tools and gradually build your collection as you gain more experience. Remember, the most important thing is to start small, take your time, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Okay, let's talk projects. I've got some easy, beginner-friendly ideas that will instantly transform your home without requiring a ton of time, money, or expertise. First up, painting. A fresh coat of paint is one of the most affordable and impactful ways to breathe new life into any room. Whether you're going for a bold accent wall or giving your entire living room a makeover, painting is a great place to start. Next, let's head into the kitchen. Did you know that simply swapping out your cabinet hardware can make a world of difference? It's amazing how such a small change can completely update the look and feel of your kitchen. Now let's step into the bathroom. One of my favorite beginner-friendly projects is updating the bathroom mirror. You can add a simple frame, try your hand at some decorative trim, or even go bold with a mosaic tile design. Moving on to the great outdoors. Enhancing your home's curb appeal can be as simple as adding some potted plants, a fresh layer of mulch, or even a cute DIY welcome mat. These small touches make a huge difference. Now for the standout beginner project that will have you saying, wow, I can't believe I did that. Get ready for the magic of peel and stick wallpaper. Remember that old-fashioned wallpaper that was a nightmare to install and even harder to remove? Well, forget about it. Peel and stick wallpaper is a game changer. It's affordable, it comes in endless patterns and designs, and the best part, it's incredibly easy to apply. Seriously, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Just measure your wall, cut the wallpaper to size, peel off the backing, and smooth it onto the wall. That's it. You can instantly transform a boring accent wall into a statement piece, add a touch of personality to your rental, or even give old furniture a fresh new look. So there you have it, friends. We've covered some amazing DIY renovation projects that are perfect for beginners. From painting and updating hardware to embracing the magic of peel and stick wallpaper, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a project that excites you, take your time, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and grow. DIY is all about adding your personal touch, letting your creativity shine, and creating a space that truly feels like home. Now I want to see what you're working on. Share your DIY journey with me on social media, and who knows, maybe your project will be featured in an upcoming video. Well friends, I hope this video inspired you to tackle some DIY projects around your home. Remember, you don't have to be an expert to create beautiful and meaningful changes. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more DIY inspiration, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.